Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so incredibly excited because we are finally going to be doing a Christmas clean and decorate with me. We like to wait until after Remembrance Day to put up our Christmas stuff for the most part. Try to do that at least. And it is after Remembrance Day, so we're gonna go ahead and put everything up. I do need to tidy up a bit before we can do that because it's already like Dawson is having his nap and they've already destroyed the house this morning. So we're gonna go ahead and do the cleaning part first. Then I'm gonna bring up all my Christmas bins. Holden's playing video games. I'm gonna bring up all my Christmas bins. I am gonna be doing some decluttering in those bins as well because I know I have so many items that I haven't used in the past few years and it's time for me to just let those things go. So, but that's gonna be in a video coming soon. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna tidy up the living room, then I'm gonna bring up all the Christmas bins and then we can get started. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by just picking up all these toys that immediately got all back over the floor anyway, so I don't know why I even bother. But I guess that's just mom life. You know, I just always find it so amazing how my kids can make such a disaster in just like an hour or two. So I'm going to go ahead and move this treadmill out of the way here. It takes up quite a bit of space in our living room, so I'm really like trying to think of a good spot for it. Definitely use it more since it's upstairs, but I really hate having it in the living room, but there's not really anywhere else for it to go. So I don't know. I'm not sure what to do with it, but in any case, we're going to move it out of the way and figure out something to do with it later where it can go. And just carry on. I just want to get the living room nice and clean before I start bringing up the decorations, just because I don't want to add a whole bunch more mess onto more mess already because it's just going to be crazy then. So I always like to start with a clean canvas and make sure that everything is put away nice and tidy and then bring up my boxes.
The same old songs 1,000 times and more. Ding dong bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time. We dream of snow and stolen kisses 'neath the mistletoe to celebrate that talk of more 2,000 years ago. Ding dong bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time. Ding dong ding, them bells are ringing clear and bright. Dong ding, doggone bells they ring throughout the night. You spouse of kin and child of sibling. Okay, so I just had an idea. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I kind of want to try it out because, okay, I'll show you where we're planning on putting the tree. So last year we just had it here on the end, but as you guys can see, like, okay, we still need to clean all that, don't worry about that. But as you can see, it's right in the middle of the floor basically, which is awesome. I love having it there. But now Dawson is starting to crawl and almost walk, and I just know that he's going to be into it if we have it right there. So we were going to put it in this corner here because I feel like he'll have limited access to it there. He won't be able to pull everything off as easily. So it's probably the safest place for it to go this year. But then I was just kind of thinking, hi Holden. What if, I mean, like I said, I don't know if this is going to work, but what if I took the couch and turned it this way? Then I would have an opening there maybe that it could go. I don't know. I'm just gonna try and play around and see. I don't know if that's gonna work or if I even just explained it well. But I'm just gonna play around with it and see what happens. You're so silly.
The snowflakes reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Christmas, a time to be cheerful and joyful, but baby, you left me alone. So send me.
So unfortunately, I realized about halfway through doing this that my idea was not going to work. That side of the couch is just too long, and it was just going to like start cutting into the kitchen. So obviously it wasn't going to work to have it there, which is kind of unfortunate because I feel like it might have utilized the space a little bit better. Maybe if my couch was more modular and could have been like, I don't know, change the configuration a little bit, then that probably would have been better. But didn't end up working, so I ended up just moving it all back. But I did continue on just moving everything out of the way because I had so much stuff underneath this couch, and I thought, you know what, while I'm here and I've already done half of it, I might as well just carry on and give underneath the couch a good vacuuming, because there's always toys and binkies and food and everything that gets lost and trapped under there. So I hadn't vacuumed or even moved the couches since the summer or the spring. I hadn't gone underneath there, so it was definitely time. Okay, it is finally time to start the decorating. I'm so excited. So I ran out to the garage and got the tree. So I'm just gonna, like I said in the beginning, put it in the corner here. Of course, I would love to have it out more, but I'm so happy that I ended up putting it in the corner because Dawson just tries to get into it so much. And we ended up, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not, but we ended up getting a puppy recently. I actually, at the time of recording this voiceover, she's been with us just over 24 hours now, and she's already wanting to get into the tree as well. So there's going to be a day in my life video coming out with our first full day with her, so stay on the lookout for that. Make sure that you have your bell turned on and that you are subscribed to the channel if you want to see me getting my puppy and her getting acclimated to our family. But yeah, so her as well as the baby, they just both always want to be in the tree, so I'm glad I put it in the corner. I'm able to like put a little baby gate there, and for the most part it's protecting it.
Tree.
really went back and forth on what I wanted to put on these shelves because I contemplating putting the Christmas village there, because normally I put it on the TV stand, but now Dawson's at the height where he can grab everything. But I really like it there, so I wanted just to put some kind of random decorations here on this shelf. And I am going to put the village underneath the TV on the TV stand, and just hope that will stay away from it. He's pretty good usually, and he listens pretty well. If Holden even sometimes Holden still plays with it. But when he was younger, oh my goodness, it was horrible. He was always trying to play with it. But so far Dawson's doing pretty well, so I'm happy about that. Now with the rest of the decorations, I'm just kind of making some room, and I'm putting everything on my shelf. And then when I go to make my little kitchen corner area that I typically do, then I will just go ahead and pull some of the decorations for that from the bookshelves. We're gonna head over into the kitchen, and I don't have a whole lot that I do in here. I just have my little Christmas sign, and I like to do that little corner area that I like to do for all holidays, as well as just a little stack on my dining room table. So I don't really overdo it too much in here, just enough to just bring a sense of spirit to the place.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know